Now we are gonna make legs for this cabinet. If you see the legs over here, you can see there is a little detail over here at the top part with the brass. We kind of skip the bottom part for this one for the sake of time, but we will create the top detail so you can learn void again. And there is a tip for that, for adding a void to a model. So that's what we're gonna do now. So the size of it, the dimension, I said it is like 9 inches in total, and 6 for the bottom, 3 for the top, the brass part. And the dimension of it, I'm gonna keep like 1 inch diameter. So let's do that. So this is the floor plan view, and let's create extrusion, and this time we use the circle tool, and over here the extrusion start and end 0 to 6 first, because there is another part. And over here like 1 inch, so 1 inch diameter, so we will make like 0.5 inch. Okay, so just like that, and create. And the next thing we will do is like creating the top part. So create again, extrusion, circle, and we'll start right from the center of the one that the circle that we created already, but it is kind of hard to find the center point, so I just drew a line so it is easier. Okay, and we should get rid of that line that we used, and then extrusion start should be 6 to 9, because the other one was 0 to 6, and finish. And you can see the top part over there. And the next thing is to create the little detail for that one. If you see this one, the detail that was here was, let's see from here, maybe from this view it's easier to see. I cannot really do zoom in. Okay, so this part, it is like it was cut out with some curve, just like this. So that's what we are gonna create. Okay, and we will do that from the right view, so the cutout will be like this, curved like that. So let's create that. And because it is cutting out, we can use void extrusion again. Okay, void extrusion, and now we just need to draw the shape. So from here, and then curve over here like this, and then finish up the void. Okay, and let's see how it looks like, because it should this extrusion should be matching with like these legs, and many times it's kind of hard to see, hard to guess where it should start and where it should end. So just give a number, and after that kind of take a look at where it falls, and that's actually easier than like trying to figure out before you actually start. So over here, let's see the void, it is kind of off, and it is, the second void was like it, let's go to this one. Yes, so from the floor plan view, it is way off to that side, so let's bring that in. Okay, make it a little bigger. Okay, so that's good. Okay, and let's see the actual 3D view, and it didn't really cut out just like how it cut out emptied out the cabinet. It is because the void is somehow associated to the cabinet instead of the legs that we just created. So okay, so to do that, so from that view, because it's easier, to cut and cut right there. Okay, so click that one, the void and actual piece that you want to cut out, so that way you cut them out. Okay, so copy this one to here, select all the component up to the void extrusion, and come over here with right click. Okay, and then use axis over here, and it is now copied, and you can see it is over here copied with the void. And the same thing over here. Okay, that's not what I want. I'll just use this one to select all the component I want to make a copy. Kind of hard to grab this part. Okay, so selected everyone, and right click on this window, and then mirror with this one. I think mirror, like draw the axis over here, a half point. That way it can be mirrored to that side. And yeah, because we did the mirror directions are correct, so that's fine. You don't have to rotate it. So that part is created. So that is how you create the legs for this cabinet.